Hey, Greg from Moonwalker here. We're doing some pressure washing today in good old Boulder City. So why don't you check it out? So if you're ever needing a spring cleaning on your driveway or garage, give us a call. Like I said, we're reasonable. Like I said, give you a good quote. Like I said, we do good work. You're looking at average job for driveways, usually between 100 and 150, and then also with the garage, you're looking at around 100, 150 as well. We do offer package deals, so like say if you get a window cleaning job and we do a pressure washing, we put that together and you're looking to save about 50 bucks on that. So 75 for the driveway, 75 for the garage. And like I said, it definitely works out going package deal. We can do carpet cleaning, window cleaning, and pressure washing for you. Basically, all your curb appeal we can take care of for you. Give us a call, 702-586-8350.